If you're a student pilot struggling with weather, this video is for you. My name is Joseph. I help student pilots become private pilots. This is a series on weather theory to help you prepare for your private pilot check ride, so follow for part 2. Also, this information can be found in the PHAK on this page number. Okay, so we're going to start off talking about the atmosphere. The atmosphere is like a blanket of air that's made up of different gases that surround the Earth from the surface all the way up to almost 350 miles off the surface. And this mixture is in constant motion. The PHAK describes it kind of like an ocean. If you could see it, it would be like an ocean that's constantly flowing like a fluid. Now, this air is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and about 1% of various other gases. So we're going to talk about the very first layer, and that is the troposphere, which extends 4 to 12 miles above the Earth's surface. Now, when we talk about weather, it usually is happening in this troposphere. Different clouds, that kind of stuff. So inside the troposphere, the average temperature drop is 2 degrees Celsius per 1,000 feet. So if you start at the surface and you go up 1,000 feet, it will typically drop 2 degrees Celsius for a stable atmosphere. And also the pressure will decrease by 1 inch per 1,000 feet. And this is quoted in the PHAK. There's a few different factors that create this motion or fluid in the atmosphere. And one of those is uneven heating of the Earth's surface. So the equator is closest to the sun, so it gets hotter than the poles. What happens is when the equator heats up, the molecules in the air spread out, which causes it to be less dense. Less dense air rises, and the cold air takes its place. So this causes like a circular motion in the atmosphere. So again, solar temperatures, meaning the sun heats up the equator, makes the air less dense, the less dense air rises, and the cool air takes its place. So you have this constant circle motion, and that is one factor that creates weather. Follow for part 2.